guys, so today we have been working on a letter for to find a buyer at Akoya, and we've been working with lines 7 and 8. I'm just gonna take out, so we avoid making envelope by envelope. I'm gonna make a video on how to get them exported out, so there's a way that the envelope will be made for you, all of them at the same time. So pretty much what you need to do after you get all the information and all the lines that you have, this is already the exported version of it, the CSV. You're gonna have to export it to CSV and you're gonna have to name it accordingly. You're gonna have the owner 1, which is the person that you're addressing to. You're gonna have owner 2, the second person that you're addressing to, the address, city, state, and the zip code. So after that's already exported, you're gonna go to your contacts, and this is where you're gonna be able to get the envelopes. You're gonna always delete whatever you've worked on before that you don't need, so you don't get confused. And on the iCloud, you're gonna hit on the plus and you're gonna name it Akoya 0708 part 2, because yesterday we did something else. We did the first part. You're gonna hit on it, there's nothing assigned to it. You're gonna go to file and you're gonna hit import, and that's where you're gonna import the CSV that you created, which is this one. You're gonna hit open, and it's gonna give you the option to on how to put it, how to put the not the recipient, the person that you're sending it to. The recipient is the one that receives it, right? Whatever. The person that you're sending it to, this is where you're gonna organize it. Here, this is wrong. It needs to start with address. So let's start there. Here, let's start with the name. You're gonna go to the first one, do not import, which is owner 1. You're gonna put first. So here you're gonna get the person's first name. On owner 2, you're gonna put company, because that's what we have. Either it's like a company or a second name. So when you play here, this is how it's gonna show you how it's gonna come out. So that's how you need. You need name 1, name 2, address, city, state, and zip code. So down here, when you go into city, you're gonna put, because you see the city is the first one here, you're gonna put address instead of city. So because you need the address first before the city. On street, okay. On city, you're gonna put city. On state, you're gonna put state, and then you're gonna put the zip code on zip code. So pretty much you play with this until this is gonna be the exact same thing. Some of them might be on street or on this one. It depends on how you do it, but the whole point is to get this part the same. So if you ignore the first card and you look at the other one, Ana M. Solis, address, so-and-so, Diamond Bar, California, city, state, and zip code. Second one, let's do one that has 2 names. This one. It got the first name, it got the second name as a company. Doesn't matter that it's a person, it's gonna be company. You get the address, unit number, city, state, and zip code. That's how you need to get them. You're gonna ignore the first card and you're gonna hit OK. Here you're gonna do the keep new for this one, because you're playing with the new addresses, and you're gonna hit import. That's just telling you that they're gonna get all imported here. After you do that, you're gonna go to your card, and you're always gonna view your card. Go to my card. Your card is where this is. Yeah. This is the card. This is what we just played with. So on the card, it's always gonna be Claudia Nivaldo, and in this case, it's gonna be their address because it's back in Collins. When it's Collins or Bridgewater, whatever that we're trying to do with when we take internationals, or when we take Las Unidades that we added today, like the whole bunch, that's how we do it, because we need to do it with stamps, so it cannot go in the bulk. This one is gonna be that. If you needed to change the address for the person that's sending it, you do it here. You hit edit and you hit done. We're not doing that today, so you're gonna go back to Akoya 0708 and you're gonna select them all. That's just gonna select Akoya because you have it here, and you're gonna go to print. Once you're gonna go to print, this is automatically gonna do it for you. You're gonna take the 2-sided out. You're gonna make it show details, so you're gonna make it big, and this is where it gets not tricky, but this is something that you need to do. You're gonna go to label, and you're gonna go to company. You're gonna hit on it, and you're gonna go over instead of recipient, you're gonna hit for both. So the difference that's gonna make, instead of showing Nivaldo Soria PA up here only, I don't know if you can see it, you're gonna show both. So Claudia's name comes out. And that's all you need to do. Once you do that, you open in preview and you have your envelopes already made. You're gonna go to print and you're gonna do the exact same thing that you do with every other envelope. You're gonna arrange it. It's gonna come out of envelope 10. Paper handling, page order, no, it's gonna be layout, no, medium quality. This one is gonna be the feed from, is gonna be an alternate tray, oh no, the main tray. Main tray, etc., etc. Now you're gonna have all your envelopes. We're gonna print them all. Let's hit print. This is garbage because I'm gonna take them out regardless once in a while. So we're done. And then here, you delete it. Always delete it from here. You gotta go here and you have to select them all. For you to delete, don't remove them from group, completely delete them, because if you don't delete them, it's just gonna, and then you delete the actual file. Well, whatever, point is that shouldn't be there, but it is. And then that's it. That's how you get the envelopes without having to actually work harder. Bye.